Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Supreme Court, in the case of Amrut Bhai Shambhu Bhai Patel within bracket Supra has held that the investigating agency oblique officer is authorized to make further investigation in exercise of its statutory jurisdiction under section 173 within bracket 8 CRPC. Stop. After informing the court and obtaining its approval at any stage of proceeding. Stop. Para. In such circumstances, we have no hesitation in holding that once an investigation agency has submitted a police report oblique charge sheet under section 173 within bracket 2 CRPC and the court has taken cognizance of the offence, the state government is competent enough to pass an order directing for further investigation by another investigating officer without taking leave from the court concerned, but it is the duty of the investigating officer to inform the court before going ahead in pursuance of the order of the state government for further investigation. Stop. In the present case, the court was duly informed by the respondent number 5, Nihal Prasad, investigating officer, before starting further investigation. Stop. Thus, the decisions relied by learned counsel for the petitioners on his point are not applicable in the present case and there is no illegality in the order passed by the state government or in conducting the further investigation by respondent number 5 in pursuance of the impugned government order dated 24/12/2013. Stop. Second argument also does not have any force and is hereby rejected. Stop. Para. In relation to the third question, that whether a police officer belonging to any investigating agency can lodge any other FIR on the basis of the conclusion of the investigation of a crime, it has been brought into the notice of the court by the learned AGA Sri Sachindra Pratap Singh that the Director General of Police UP issued a circular being DG 21/16 dated 26/4/2016 that in relation to one incident multiple FIRs cannot be registered, but in case any cross version is found then fresh FIR has to be lodged and there is no illegality in the same. Stop. Para. In the present case, in pursuance of the government order dated 24/12/2003, further investigation was conducted by respondent number 5, investigating officer CB CID in case crime number 202/2003 within bracket Supra, who found that as a matter of fact Sarfaraz and Sarita went away against the wishes of the father Chotelal Madhesia as a result on the interference of official of one minister of the state government. Sarfaraz and Sarita were recovered and Sarita was handed over to her father and Sarfaraz was illegally challenged by planting charas in the aforesaid case and police report was submitted in the court below. Stop. In these circumstances, a request was made by respondent number 5 for lodging FIR against the petitioners, as a result of which the FIR as case crime number 67/2005 PS Nawabganj district Bahraich under sections 342, 379, 427, 467, 468, 471, 120B IPC and under section 8 oblique 20/29 NDPS Act, Police Station Nawabganj, District Bahraich was lodged and there is no illegality in lodging the FIR as case crime number 67 of 2005 within bracket supra against the petitioners. Stop. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.